Welcome to our lesson on what makes an effective Scrum Master. In this session, we will explore key qualities and skills that contribute to success in this vital role. As we learned in the previous lesson, servant leadership is crucial. An effective Scrum Master prioritizes team needs and facilitates communication for better collaboration. This quote highlights the essence of a Scrum Master. Empowering the team is at the heart of effective Scrum leadership. Communication is key in Scrum. Active listening fosters trust, while clear messaging prevents misunderstandings within the team. Conflict resolution is another critical skill. An effective Scrum Master mediates disputes and promotes collaboration to strengthen team dynamics. Continuous improvement is vital in Scrum. Conducting retrospectives and encouraging feedback helps teams identify areas for growth. This quote encapsulates the role of a Scrum Master. Creating a thriving environment is essential for team success. In conclusion, an effective Scrum Master embodies servant leadership, communication skills, and conflict resolution. By fostering continuous improvement, they create an environment where teams can thrive.